Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today going to talk about crypto assets being increasingly added to the corporate to the treasuries by some of the corporates. In my past videos, I've spoken about some. MicroStrategy has been one, and there have been many more. Elon Musk has done it for his company Tesla, and there are many, many, many companies. Now, we're going to try and evaluate if this is so. What is happening first, and is this good for the corporates bringing in crypto assets into their treasuries? Now, this is in the backdrop of a situation today where the regulations are still not in place. However, the governing banks are, or the central banks are still working on regulations in multiple countries, but so probably they do sense a great opportunity in the future, and that is a reason why they're adding crypto assets to their treasuries. So we'll talk about all of that today. As usual, before we do that, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at and I can craft out a video based on your requirement. And also please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my insights on my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as you know, before I start, I talk about my ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. It talks about the time back in 2010 when I quit my corporate job, globe-trotting corporate job, and I started on my own. It talks about my preparation before I jumped into the world of entrepreneurship. It talks about what kind of challenges I faced, and it also talks about how I overcame those challenges. Now, I'm quite certain that a lot of you who are, especially those who are in full-time day jobs, will be looking for becoming an entrepreneur. I have put down 3 worksheets in this ebook so that you could answer certain questions, get points, and you could then gauge where you stand in terms of your preparedness to be an entrepreneur. I have also scored myself on those worksheets based on my mindset back in 2010 when I quit my job. So you would know how much I scored. You would also know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, the other one in India, and representations in the US market. The cool thing is that this ebook comes to you for totally free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is currently flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me an honest feedback. Now let's talk about crypto assets in corporate treasuries. So what is it that is happening? So more and more businesses are including cryptocurrency as a part of their corporate treasuries. The trend that was started by large publicly traded companies in 2020 is rising. Companies like BVNK are helping. So BVNK is a facilitator. So they are helping the middle market to do the same thing, whether that be mid-size to large corporations, family offices, or tech-savvy, high net worth individuals operating from about 100K to about 500K, $500,000 to invest in. So if you look at this diagram, so the big market where they operate is on the left of the screen. So that's where 100,000 to 500,000 is the investment quantum. Well, we'll try now understand how, where did it all begin. So back in August 11, 2020, business intelligence firm MicroStrategy became the first publicly traded company to buy Bitcoin. Today, the company owns nearly 100 109,000 bitcoins, representing 75% of the reserves on its balance sheet. I do question this particular rationale, but because they have invested so much, but there is definitely a sense in investing in cryptocurrencies. While MicroStrategy and other publicly traded companies like Tesla, Square, and countries like El Salvador have adopted Bitcoin, large capital investments in cryptocurrencies aren't limited to just Fortune 500 companies and developing nations. Many other enterprise level companies are getting in on the act too. Geely Auto Group. This is a very good example in the automobiles sector. Geely Auto Group, the largest shareholder of the Volvo automotive brand, is also getting in the game with a vision for incorporating decentralized applications into vehicles throughout China in the future, while also adding crypto to its treasury. Even IKEA is investing in cryptocurrency. So you see, look at the kind of companies, not just the tech companies, MicroStrategy and Square, but also the automobile companies. Tesla, of course, is more tech and automobile, but pure tech companies, Volvo also has become tech and automobile though. They are investing, but look at IKEA. IKEA is also investing. It's a furniture manufacturing company, DIY furniture. So it's all good. So let's look at the present and the past. In a recent study, Fidelity Digital Assets discovered 7 out of every 10 institutional investors surveyed plan to invest in digital assets in the next 5 years. The study also confirms that 52% of companies surveyed in Europe, Asia, and the United States currently invest in digital assets. Enterprises will undoubtedly follow suit and thus will have to keep digital assets in their reserves if they plan to serve customers on a day-to-day basis using cryptocurrencies. So what it also says is that customers are becoming savvy with cryptocurrencies. They are absolutely opening up to using cryptocurrency as a mode of payment. And hence the companies have to adapt, have to get in line and receive and accept payments in cryptocurrencies. And in order to do that, they have to put crypto digital assets into their treasuries. They don't really have choice. So it's not just that they are doing it because it's the new great revolution in the tech world, but also out of compulsion because the customers are looking to transact in cryptocurrencies. In another study, the European Commission estimates that enterprise-level businesses on the continent can close a 25 to 30 million gap in financing with digital assets. Family offices are also getting in the act. Goldman Sachs estimates that 15% of family offices around the world own crypto assets. That includes about 25% of family offices just in the United States of America. Just under 10% of the survey respondents in Europe, Africa, and Asia own digital assets. But it's expected that those numbers will grow rapidly in the coming months. Overall, 42% of the respondents to the survey say that they are already investing in digital assets and that investing in precious metals come a close second. So we will now discuss why is it good for the corporates to have crypto assets in the treasury. The same study referenced above points out that the respondents are using crypto assets, precious metals, and traditional currencies as a way to diversify investments geographically and protect capital from potential currency debasement in the future. So there is another reason why they are building their crypto assets. Hedging against debasement and inflation is one reason to have crypto assets as part of the corporate treasury. Even if large-scale debasement of currencies doesn't happen for decades, enterprises of all sizes can still benefit from a first-mover advantage. Even 13 years after the inception of Bitcoin, the crypto class is still maturing. So they are looking at the longevity or the maturation of digital assets. So essentially, they're looking at those which are there for the long haul, like Bitcoin. Bitcoin would mature probably in the next 3 to 5 years. Ethereum is coming with Ethereum 2.0, and there would be many such, innovative cryptocurrencies which will come in the future. Beyond benefiting from the price appreciation of the crypto asset themselves, organizations will also benefit from the fact that 40% of the crypto savvy customers spend at least double the amount that a crypto customer spends using a traditional credit card. So in summary, this is a great news for the crypto world. It's also a great news for the corporates, because they are able to have another avenue to invest in, where they feel that their investments would be safer and could protect them from future debasement of currencies, of fiat currencies, and also that allows them to accept cryptocurrency as a mode of payment from their customers when they buy or sell any of their products or services. So overall, I think this is a great, happy situation to be in, and I would definitely say that the future is quite bright for the corporates and for the digital currency or cryptocurrency industry. I would also like to point you to the video where I've spoken about what the Fed is talking about, where Elizabeth Warren is talking about, and where Fed Chair Jerome Powell, or even the Finance Secretary Janet Yellen are talking about on regulations for cryptocurrency. I'll put a link to that video on the card above. Go to take a look at it, because I think you would want to familiarize yourself with what those guys are talking about, because the regulations are definitely in the offing and should come in very, very soon. So, well, thank you very much. I hope this video was useful to you. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it. Go to my profile page if you like it. If you like my profile page, send me an invite. As a profession, I work regularly with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you are looking into engaging me as a consultant in your company, do write to me on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below, and then we can communicate and see how we can work together. So finally, before I close out, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.